The next one is instance of keyword. We have already learned in our previous videos what an instance of keyword is, but let us understand the use of instance of keyword in the case of inheritance. We say that instance of operator, this is nothing but to determine if this particular class is a type of another class or not. So let us understand with the help of an example. We have created an interface called as a person. Till now we were creating a class, but now we are trying to create an interface. What an interface is, we will learn in the going forward videos, but now let us see what an interface here is. We are just creating an interface called as person and which will hold certain data, but this is an empty interface. Next, we have created a class called employee which wants to inherit the properties from its person interface. If you have to inherit the properties from your parent class, then you use the keyword extends. But if you are trying to inherit the properties from its parent interface, then you use as implements, right? So we write implements person. Next, we have created another class called science teacher which wants to or try to extend the behavior from its employee class, that is employee, right? So now in its main method, we have created the object reference for its parent class and for its current class, that is our child class is science teacher. So we have created an object reference for employee and then object reference for your science teacher. Now we want to check whether this science teacher is an instance of employee class, and then is this science teacher an instance of your person interface or not. So in this system.out.println, in the brackets we check employee is an instance of person or not with the keyword called instance of. Next, whether this S is an instance of employee or not. Third, whether this teacher S is an instance of person or not. Remember one important thing, you cannot write here as an object. You will not refer an object to an object. You would refer an object to its main class or main interface name, right? So the object reference you are comparing as an instance of to the class or an interface. So let us execute this program to understand how practically this particular thing follows. How do you use an instance of keyword?
So in this example, we'll see how you use an instance of keyword to see if a particular type is of another or not. In our previous example, we have seen there is a relationship with the help of instance of keyword where we had been using the classes. But now in this example, we will use an interface and then understand if a class is a type of an interface or not. So we have created an interface with the help of a keyword called interface and then the interface name. How you create an interface, what is an interface, all this we will be learning in our going forward chapters, how and what is an interface. But now we'll just understand an interface is also which allows you to declare your methods, variables or anything that you would want to. And then these methods can be called by your child classes. So we have created an interface with the help of interface keyword and then the interface name as person, open and close braces. Next, we have created a class called employee where we are trying to say this employee should inherit the properties of your person. If this person was a class, then we would be using an extends keyword. But now, whereas this person is an interface and we want the properties to be inherited by the employee class. So we write employee implements person. In place of extends keyword, we write implements in case of inheriting the behavior of an interface. Next, we have created a class called science teacher, and this science teacher is trying to extend or inherit the behavior from the employee class. Because this is in a class, we use an extends keyword, and when you are trying to inherit the properties from an interface, you use the keyword called implements. So in this science teacher class, we have declared our main method, and in the main method, First, we are trying to create an object reference of your employee class and then the object reference of your science teacher. Why? Because we are trying to check if this is a particular type or not. So in the bracket, that is in the println method, we check if E, that is employee, is a type of a person or not. If employee is a type of a person or not. Earlier example, it said true where we used this person as a class and called the extends keyword. Now we have created an interface and we are using an implements keyword. So we are trying to see if employee is a type of a person. Next, we see if the science teacher is a type of an employee. Yes, it is extending employee, so it should be. Next, if science teacher is a type of a person or not, which is again a kind of a is a relationship which we are trying to understand with instance of keyword to understand whether a class can extend the behavior from another class or where the class can extend the behavior or implement the behaviors of your interface. So let us save this file and execute. And now as you can see in the console, all the concepts are true. It says yes, the employee is a type of a person, science teacher is a type of an employee, and then science teacher is in return a type of a person. And these errors that you can see here, the type person already defined and the employee already defined, it says that you have already created a class with the name employee and already created an interface with the name person. If you want to rename, you can rename this. So this is how we use the extends and the implements keyword to understand there is a relationship between the parent and the child classes.